lovely people, welcome back to my channel. As in last video I told you about this look, and now I'm going to tell you that how you can style your hair with this. Yeah, it's gonna give you like a wavy style, wavy hair bounce. So let's start. So I'm going to take a section. I'm literally loving this look here. Isn't it looking cool? So I'm going to do this all over my hair. Like I'm going to take big section. I'm just here to show you. I don't literally wanna do this. So I'm just taking big sections. And it's done. Can you see the volume? I hope you like the video. I hope you like this hairstyle. You can also try this. I will come back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye.